We got a big ass power cord that going from the front battery to the back port. Use that. And this is what I was talking about for the cord, and then power in here. Anyhow, so it has those batteries in the back, and you know, just I guess that's like 800 looms. I don't know. We'll see. But I'm just gonna stick it in here with Velcro and have a couple different Velcro stops, because I thought all these different things, you know, these different, you know, like putting LED lights in there, but I'm not that, you know, crazy or whatever. Like, I don't need to be crazy like crazy. But so we're gonna get disco with the controller, but I don't know, seems kind of fun. And then I can bring it in the tent when I get done. So, you know, like when I get done eating or whatever, I can take it anywhere I want and put it somewhere. So that's why I bought this thing, and it's just a cheapie, you know. I think it's like 35 bucks or something. Got her leg there, boo. She's looking real good. Pop's gonna find a problem though. He's gonna be like, well, you didn't do that right. Didn't do that right. It looks like that wouldn't get you $13 on a dealership. Those ain't in far enough. Yeah, the torque specialist. She knows how to get the torques just right. Get that torque setting just tight enough. 150 pounds. No problem. Well, we're finally getting into it. It looks like maybe a ring. Possibly the top of the piston may have a little damage. We'll see. I just wanted to get it cleaned up, and you know, just in case I just leave it, or we're gonna tear it apart or what. But so just doing the cleanup, you know, getting the motor clean and to where we can work on it and figure out what the heck's going on with it. So, but what we could tell is the rings are there, the piston's there. It's low on compression. It looks like about 60 and 60 or 70, but it needs to be much higher than that. And when you kick it, you can definitely tell. So probably a ring is broken somewhere or cracked, but both the rings are on there. So but probably a ring is broken or something down there. Get real dirty and you get it got real clean. Yeah, I guess after 1,200 miles, that's probably pretty normal, huh? But she's all shined up, baby. See why it goes no bang bang, bang 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 bang. Big pits. Looks like a piece of metal is welded right here. Little piece of metal. I imagine that's the ring. see the... You can see where the ring banged the head, or at least that's what it looks like is a ring. And you can see, bang, 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 bang your head. Crazy. Alright, so here's the piston, right? So you can see there. Oh man, but you can see this piece right here where it embedded into the piston, and you can see this long scratch, right? That's deep. You can see the rings. See how the rings, they're totally folded in. Sprung, right? But I think I figured out why it broke. So there's a break, right? Right there, that's a nice little break. And then, you see this side, where it chewed, right? Look right here. See that piece got jammed from the top into it and welded into the piston. Wow. And then on top, you can see where all the pieces just molded into the head. Look how much carbon. 7,000 miles, baby. It's a good test. See how much damage I got to deal with. It's crazy. But pretty crazy. It's like a wrist pin failure of some sort, and then you can see right here, get a bunch of blow by. Bunch of blow by. So that's 7,000 miles on my end, and then another 1,000 on the original owner's end too. So that's 8,000 miles right there, man. Pretty good.